Hi, I'm Dr. Stimac and welcome to Medical Minute with Norton Healthcare. Common questions that I hear about hip replacements are, how painful is the hip replacement surgery and how long will it take for me to recover? Hip replacement surgery can take around 1 hour to perform. Oftentimes, patients are able to go home the same day of their procedure. Following surgery, you will be monitored in a recovery area, and soon after, patients are encouraged to sit up and walk with crutches or a walker. This is encouraged to help prevent complications such as blood clots in your legs. Recovery from surgery can typically take 6 to 8 months. Patients should expect to see a physical therapist to assist in recovery. Following your doctor's instructions about rehabilitation, wound care, and medications will increase your chances for a positive outcome from the procedure. Daily activity and exercises will help regain use of the muscles and the joint. It is important to remember that every patient and diagnosis is different. If you have questions about your specific condition, I recommend you talk to a provider about a treatment plan that is right for you. For more information or to schedule an appointment with a provider, visit nortonorthopedics.com.